Go on. Put the ring on my finger.
How to consistently create AI videos with the app that is already on your phone. Yes, I said that. Everybody have this app, but we're sleeping on it, nobody is talking about it. I'm here to share with you how you can create your AI videos without needing to visit or download any other app. And in this tutorial, I'm going to show you that you really don't need to generate images first. It's just from your prompt to your AI video. And I'm going to show you how you're going to keep the characters consistent so your character don't look like this. And another way, just stay attentive to this video. Watch the video to the very end so you can understand how to get this done. If you're new here, welcome here. My name is Xtina Creative, and on this YouTube channel I create content on how you can create AI videos from scratch as a beginner. If you need more content like this, do it to subscribe to this YouTube channel for more updates. Now let's get into this tutorial properly. So while creating this AI video, the very first thing you need is prompt. We need prompt to create a video. I have an AI prompt template that I'm using and I'm ready to give you. If you're interested in getting it, let me know in the comments. I'm going to give you for totally free to go generate a prompt. You can go to ChatGPT or use Cloud if you're already using Cloud. Okay, but mine, I'm going to be using ChatGPT. So if you don't have any idea on what kind of AI videos you want to create, you can just tell ChatGPT or your Cloud app to help you generate the storyline. But for me, I already know what I want in my head. I have the idea, so I just record it through voice notes and explain how I want my video to be. Okay guys, so what I did was to go to ChatGPT and record using this voice recorder right here. I recorded my voiceover. I told Shati how I want my story to look like. So this story we're about to generate a video on is a settings of outdoor wedding reception where the bride was about to have a ring from the groom, and then a young guy just walked in and said, mommy said you forgot us. So everybody stopped and paused. What is going on here? And the bride was like, really, who is this child? Is serious? And the guy didn't answer. Then they twist. The bride gave a very dirty slap to the groom, so that makes a strong twist at that part. Anytime you're generating a video, please try as much as possible to put in twists. Don't let people be able to predict the next thing. Normal lady who walked out of the scene, I mean the bride, will be crying, but it's funny because this lady landed a dirty slap on the groom and then stretched forth her hand, give me the ring. So anybody that watch that kind of content will be like, oh, what's going to be the next thing? This is a queen or the bride of a coast. What's going to be the next scene? Do you get? So just see people in your comment section saying, please, I need the next scene, next scene, next scene. Exactly what you want to be doing with your content. Every time you're creating, tell Shati or your Cloud to add strong twists. Whatever story you want, make sure you're adding this to make it make sense. So here is the settings. So these settings explain how the outdoor garden wedding is the action dialogue. These are the few dialogues. It's just a short scene. And I said put it into just three scenes. And here I described that you should make it 3D animated style. Very beautiful color. I just want something like colorful. And this is a response 3D animated short playlist style. Then we go into the scene 1, scene 2, scene 3, and that's all. Okay, so this is exactly what I'm going to do right now. I'm going to copy this style first. I'm going to copy the style, put it here, then copy the scene right from here. I'll not copy scene 1, 0. Okay, just keep that part, just copy this next thing and put it here. Okay, so I'm just going to select all, then copy. Okay, so I'm going to go to the app I'm going to be using to generate this app is on our phones, literally on your phone, and you're watching me through the app right now, YouTube. Okay, just going to do this on YouTube. I'll keep coming back here to edit the first scene. Can you see the first scene started here? So I'm just going to put the second scene there. I've copied this. Can you see? I will still keep that my style intact. Okay, I will keep that style intact. Very, very important. So the third scene also to be copied. Sorry, I'm just trying to show you everything here before we move on. Just copy this like this, then here like this, then paste. Okay, so here is what you're going to be working with all through the scenes. I don't know how many scenes you want, so that's what you're going to be. So no matter how the scenes you want, that's exactly what you're going to be doing. Okay, like I said in the beginning of this video, I have AI prompt template I use in my video. If you need it, it's going to make your work easier with prompting. So let me just know in the comments that I'm going to give you for totally free. You're going to go to your YouTube like this. You're going to see this plus sign right here. You're going to click it. Click this. You're going to paste your prompt. and send. Guys, can you see?
This shop is worth more now. If you still want it, you pay 3 times more today.
But we have an agreement.
That's your business. Leave it. You can't add to it.
Oh my god, this is so beautiful. This is so beautiful, guys. Like literally, I didn't even had image. I didn't even had anything. All I did is just copy my prompt, paste it here, and send. So there's something we're going to do right now because we needed them to stay consistent. And right now we are going to make a screenshot of the lady, and we're also going to screenshot the old man.
Leave it. You can't add on. This shop is worth more now. If you still want it.
So to save this one, just can you see? Can you see this? Just click on it, then click on save to device. So it's going to automatically save on your mobile phone. Can you see it says video saved on your device? Now for the next thing, we're just going to do the same in the image. Yeah. Okay, so I'm just going to paste the prompt and send. I'm going to wait for it to generate. So guys, it's ready.
Everything. Every single thing. If I can't have it, nobody will.
Wow. This is so lovely. I love it. Can you imagine? Like, can you see the detail? It's stayed consistent. The character stayed consistent. The beauty of the lady, the man, the old man, clothing, everything still look consistent. So click here for a drop down, then save on your mobile phone. So beautiful and cool. So all I have to do is to just save to my device and go ahead and edit it finally. We are going to edit this together with our CapCut. For this is what it looks like.
I've seen what you've done. This shop is worth more now. If you still want it, you pay 3 times more today.
But we have an agreement.
That's your business. Leave it. You can't add to it.
Remove everything. Every single thing. If I can't have it, nobody will.
That's exactly how you're going to go ahead and generate all your videos. If you watch this video to this very end, like this video, drop a comment for me, subscribe to this YouTube channel if you are new here, and if you want me to send you the AI prompt templates, let me know in the comments. I will send it to you. See you in the next video. Bye.